want us to do your job. So you want us to protect you.
I'm not asking you to protect me kasi
I just want you to leave the store. Matadamay kami.
Hello guys, welcome to today's Topic TV. Usap-usapan ngayon sa social media ang nagba-viral na video ng diskusyon sa pagitan ng manager at customer sa Starbucks sa Makati City. Isang customer kasi ang nagreklamo sa manager dahil umano hinaharas at inaatake sila ng isang lalaking namamalimos. Dumiretso ito sa counter at pumunta sa manager subalit.
we have to step outside. Are you for real? Are you for real? You didn't even stop him. You didn't even stop him. My God. You're on camera. You're on camera.
Humingi ng tulong ang customer sa manager at sabi ng manager ay tumatawag na siya ng barangay, subalit sinabi nito na lumabas na muna sila. Ni hindi rin daw umaksyon ang manager para patigilin ang lalaki.
Kitang-kita ka sa camera. Don't worry, ate. Are you the manager here? Are you the manager? Are you the manager, kuya? Are you the manager? We're the customer.
We don't even know the guy.
And then you're asking us to step outside. Because of what? Because of what? Yeah, he's attacking us. Yeah, he's attacking us out of nowhere. Then all of a sudden you're gonna ask us to step outside? Yeah, that's why you should have handled that. Oh, and then?
At sa gitna ng kanilang komprontasyon, dito na nagtaas ng boses ang manager, na ikinagulat naman ng mga nagrereklamo.
You want us to do your job.
My job? I'm not asking you to do my job. I'm asking you is to protect
So
us.
you want us to protect you.
Oh my God.
You want us to protect you.
I'm not asking you to protect me kasi
I just want you to leave the store. Matadamay kami.
habang inaatake kami sa loob ng store nyo, ganun kuya, habang inaatake kami sa loob ng store nyo,
What do you want us to do?
you can stop him from attacking us.
Nagsalita na rin ang iba pang customer patungkol sa kanilang reaksyon sa sitwasyong nagaganap, na dapat ay magtawag daw sila ng ibang tao at wag daw silang mang-obligang humingi ng tulong sa manager.
Common sense.
Yes, common sense.
It should not even be on this side of the counter.
Actually, he's being violent.
Yeah, that's why we
You
want.
need to call somebody. You don't come in the store and asking for help.
But again,
Sinabi rin ng mga nagrereklamo na humihingi sila ng proteksyon dahil ang manager daw ang may karapatang magtaboy o magpatigil sa lalaking nangugulo kanina, subalit sabi ng manager ay paano ba niya magagawa yon? Hindi naman siya security guard.
How could I do that?
Kuya, pwede mo siyang awatin
I'm
lang.
not a security guard. Why
Hindi
don't you do
kuya.
that?
Kasi kayo yung authorized dito mag-stop sa kanya.
Wow.
God.
Sinabi rin ng mga nagrereklamo na natakot sila kaya sila lumapit sa manager para humingi ng tulong. Ang kaso ayaw ng manager ng gulo kaya sila pinapalabas.
You're putting us in trouble actually.
Kuya, di namin, again, sorry if sumigaw ako kasi natakot kami eh.
Kasi I'm the call the barangay.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
I don't understand you either.
Alright, thank you. But what we're just asking, okay, since you're calling the barangay, you can call the barangay and ask. And if you're encountering that, should have been the
Do that with us.
Yes.
This cannot
Yes.
face blame on us.
Kuya,
Yeah.
ang point namin, hindi kami dapat yung papalabasin kasi kami yung customer eh.
What do you want us to do?
You can ask the guy to leave.
Lumabas kayo kasi nandito na yung customer.
Kuya, we're scared. We're scared to death.
If I were you,
I'm shaking,
lalabas
no?
ako. Dito!
Sa inyong palagay, kung kayo ang nasa sitwasyong ganito, anong gagawin nyo? Tama ba ang ginawa ng manager o tama rin ba ang ginawa ng customer? At sino ang may mali kung bakit umabot sila sa sitwasyong ganito? I-comment mo na yan sa baba. At maraming salamat po.